Hello, and welcome to EFX TV. This is another requested video by one of our viewers. She wants to know how she can install Ubuntu or any other Linux distro alongside Windows 10, so that she can switch between Windows 10 and Ubuntu Linux. There is an error troubling most of the users during installation. Error on your screen: no EFI system partition was found. This system will likely not be able to boot successfully, and the installation process may fail. Please go back and add an EFI system partition or continue at your own risk. Today I'll install the Ubuntu in front of you, and know what are the steps we should take to fix no EFI system partition was found. Please watch this video carefully. To make this tutorial I've cleaned my entire system and trying to install Ubuntu live. I'll try my best to make this video simple to understand. If you think I'm doing exactly what I'm saying, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need your support. Sure, you will get some awesome content in upcoming days. No worries, if you are new to Linux and want to know about the best stable version of Linux that you can use at the beginner level, Ubuntu will be the most stable and first recommendation. The rest depends on your work area and experience in the ethical hacking industry. All the videos on my YouTube channel are for educational purposes. Understand the things and use your knowledge for helping someone. Before starting, I have a beautiful quote for you. Help takes your ability a step ahead with deep blessings. Harm calls you a step back. You were before harming someone. So let's get this video started. Before we start, I'd like to mention that most of the time we see a common error while installing the Ubuntu is on your screen. It says no EFI system partition was found. This system will likely not be able to boot successfully, and the installation process may fail. Please go back and add an EFI system partition or continue at your own risk. Once you hit the continue button, both of the Windows and grub menu gets disappeared and installation fails again and again. So basically today we will see how to bypass this error and make our Ubuntu installation persistence. I'm sorry I've recorded my screen using my mobile device. Our main motive is to understand things. Nothing could stop the idea behind the topic. This is my Windows machine I've just installed. Now I'm going to plug my Ubuntu bootable flash drive. If you want to know how to make the bootable Ubuntu flash drive, let me know in the comment box. I'll upload a separate and detailed video on that. Here you can see the flash drive. This is activated Windows 10 Pro N. This is Windows 10 I've just installed in my system. Right-click on this PC, select the properties, and you can see this is an activated version of Windows 10. Now I'll reboot the system and press the F7 key. It can be different in your case. The system is rebooting itself. Wait for a minute. Here is the booting menu. Here is the main mistake we usually made while booting the system. We make a mistake most of the time, which causes the error EFI not found. Make sure you never select the UEFI disk to boot the system. Even if you use Windows 10 to boot using UEFI mode, you may face some errors with Windows as well. Always select non-EFI disk, like I'm selecting HPV 152W map. You can see there are two versions of the same HP disk. Always go with non-UEFI disk. Select the disk and enter. It will take some time to get the process started. Here we have the installation menu. Click on Install Ubuntu. Select your language and hit continue. Check the third option, install third-party software. It automatically grabs all the requirements and drivers Ubuntu needs to get started.
I'm skipping a few frames, it has taken more time than it is visible. Here you can see the Windows 10 on the top. Now select something else and hit continue. Look for free space you have in your system and create 2 partitions. I've free space almost 200 gigabytes. Click on the Add button to split it, and create a swap partition. Now create a swap area where you have to provide double space of your RAM. I'm providing 12 gigabytes space. Select the location for the new partition and choose the swap area, click OK and move forward. Ubuntu system is creating the swap partition. Now select the free space and hit the Add button. Leave everything as usual. Hit the blank space after the mount point, select the / make sure use as ext4. Now press OK. It will take a while. Select the marked space and click on Install Now. Here you can see there is no EFI partition still, we are not getting error. If in case you get any kind of error, please let me know in the comment box. Hit continue and press on Install Now. Select your location. Most of the time it does automatically. You can see I'm from India. Hit continue. Fill your details, these are for the administrator account. I'm EFX TV. Now choose a strong password. Confirm the password, and hit continue. It will take some time, let me fast forward it. Here you can see installation has been completed, no error so far. Click on Restart now. Please remove the installation medium, then press Enter. The system is restarting itself. Here it is, you can see that I've two operating systems in the same grub menu as we supposed to have. We have successfully installed Ubuntu alongside Windows 10. Let me click on Ubuntu and see if it is working or not. You can see the Ubuntu icon. It's loading. Yes, it is working perfectly. Now, I'll restart again and check for Windows 10 is working or not. Yes, it is working. I hope you liked this video. If you face any error during installation, let me know. Most probably I'll provide you a way to get rid of errors. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon because we regularly upload videos like Linux termux error and bug fixing on this channel.